Hey, for those of you who are at home and are unable to, let me see if I can move that a little, make it into school today, I wanted to jump in here and just show you what we're going to be doing in class today and review with you a little bit before you take your quiz tomorrow. If you notice, I jumped into Classroom and I went into Digital Interactive 2.4. That's the interactive notebook for this week. If you scroll down, you'll notice that here is what we worked on Friday and on Monday, yesterday, our task cards. This is a great review of mitosis and the cell cycle. You can go through here and look at all these great questions and review topics for mitosis. I'm going to reveal this slide today. I'll reveal it for a moment, and then I'm going to, oh wait, not that one. Just kidding. Oh my goodness, where's it at? Let me see. This is it. Oh, once again, Miss DeLay is completely confusing herself. I have a slide in here that has the answers. And so I will be placing that slide in here today. For some reason, I deleted it yesterday. So the answers will be in the slideshow so that you can get in here and look at the answers and kind of quiz yourself on these task cards so that you can know for sure if you have the answers. And then what I want you to focus on are these notes. If you can see on this note sheet, and this page was in our packet that I gave you last week, I want you to go through here and look at these notes. The functions of cell division, cell growth, repair, and maintenance. Interphase, it's where that DNA replicates and duplicates. It's where that cell is working. That's most of the time a cell is an interphase. Towards the end of interphase, that DNA replicates. It's going to prepare for prophase to go into mitosis. So during prophase, right up here in the blue, the light blue, that's when those chromosomes first appear. That's because the DNA is condensing, and the centrioles, these little organelles, finally get to do some work, and so they're going to start to move to each polar side of that cell, and that nuclear membrane is going to start to disappear. Not completely disappear, but it's going to start to disappear. When it moves into metaphase, the nuclear membrane's completely disappeared, and look, in orange, those chromosomes are in the middle. When it moves to anaphase, the spindle fibers shoot out or are attached to those centromeres, and it's going to start to pull those chromatids apart, and each chromatid is the exact same, hopefully. If not, then there's going to be something wrong with the cells, the daughter cells that are made. Okay, so those chromatids are pulled apart. When it comes down to telophase, that's when those two cells, the one cell starts to get pinched apart, so that cleavage furrow is made in an animal cell. In a plant cell, remember the difference between an animal cell and a plant cell is that the cleavage furrow is made in the plant cell, and in a plant cell, that cell plate is made. So there's really no pinching in that plant cell, but that cell plate is made. And in a plant cell, there's no centrioles that are pulling those chromatids apart. They just they just go to each side. The telophase, the nuclear membrane starts to reappear. It's not until the very end of telophase that it's completely reformed. And then that's the last phase of mitosis. And in cytokinesis, you have two fully formed cells, and that nuclear membrane has completely reappeared, and that DNA unwinds and is kind of free floating in that nucleus. And those centrioles just kind of float until metaphase starts or mitosis starts again. So make sure you have all the notes down on this page. In humans, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 23 pairs, 46 chromosomes. It's different in every organism, in every species, but in humans, we have 46 chromosomes. You need to know that for our quiz tomorrow. Our quiz tomorrow is going to be in Google Forms, and you have to take it tomorrow. So it is a digital day, and I do expect you to get online and take that quiz. It is not going to be very difficult. You can use your notes. So if you get your notes written down on this page and on all of your other pages for your packet, you can use those notes on your quiz. And I expect you to do that. You only get one chance at the quiz. It's 20 questions, and I want you to use your notes. Use your notes, take your time, don't rush through it, read carefully, and make a really good score. That's what I want you to do. So use your notes. Use what you've been given. If you have any questions today, message me. Leave a note on this little post, and I'll respond to you. If you're not here today, if you weren't here yesterday, you weren't here for the last 2 weeks, please know that I miss you. I miss seeing you in class. I miss seeing your face. I miss hearing your voice. So do all your classmates. This is uncommon. This is new territory that we're dealing with. Half of you guys at home and half of you guys here. I don't like it, but know that you're missed, and we're going to get through this. I think I'm going to start making little videos for you guys to watch every day to kind of know what you're doing. Today, we're just reviewing. Make sure you have your notes ready to go. And if you have any missing work in Infinite Campus, get that turned in, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.